Welcome to day 24 of our easy 28-day decluttering challenge. Today we're diving into those kitchen drawers. You know, the ones where you think you know what's inside, but somehow you can't find what you're looking for. Let's turn those chaotic catch-alls into organized havens. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog City of Creative Dreams and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. If you haven't already, feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Since we all have different kitchens, I figure it's safe to say that a minimum of 2 kitchen drawers for today's task is doable. If you're ready to say goodbye to crazy utensil drawers and hello to functional storage, let's start. Kitchen drawers. Start small. Pick 2 drawers to work on today. Empty them out completely and lay everything on the counter. Ask yourself, do I use this? Does this belong here? Keep only the essentials and say goodbye to broken utensils, duplicates, and those random mystery tools. If it's melted or beyond stained, it's time to let it go. Drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are a game changer. They're perfect for separating utensils, gadgets, and other tools, so everything has a home. Use smaller sections for items like measuring spoons and larger ones for spatulas or tongs. Keep similar items together. Think baking tools in one drawer, cooking utensils in another. Doesn't that look and feel amazing? Your turn. Take on 2 drawers today and watch how it transforms your cooking routine. Let me know in the comments which 2 drawers you tackled. If you're loving these challenges, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join me tomorrow for day 25. We're turning our attention to another key area in your pantry. Bye!
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!